I don't think we could get any closer to 1984 over the next coming weeks, as we're going to. Does anyone remember seeing any TV aerials or cables in 1984 on the screens that they have in their homes? Obviously they're not allowed social contact or to meet in groups unless it's an officiated party meeting, of course. If you haven't seen 1984, again, it's such a cliche, but it really isn't now. And another interesting film, I thought I'd just watch some crap actually. So, having played Sonic the Hedgehog on Sega Mega Drive all way back, probably 1990 and before actually, I thought I'd watch Sonic the Hedgehog with Jim Carrey. I laughed 4 or 5 times. I mean, it was mind pap, you know. But had some. It was almost like an advert for what's coming next. There's references to loo roll, overbuying loo roll, for one. Thought that was quite strange. Lots of, you know, the usual. I'm not even going to say it because it'll just be censored even more, but it's the letter that starts before this and ends with that and has another one in the middle. You've got your classic mixed race relationships as well. Nothing wrong with that, of course. But every film now. It's some interesting connotations to our future, and I'd heard that Sonic the Hedgehog was written and then rewritten, and I wonder why. And looking at it now, there's some extreme predictive programming going on in that film, and that's just what I caught. I wasn't paying attention all the way through. So if you get the opportunity to watch it, it's entertaining. You know, it means nothing. Jim Carrey's OTT as usual. I'm not giving the film a review by any means, but I just think that it's one of those showpiece films that really does carry a hidden message if you're looking for it. It certainly got me looking up 3 or 4 or 5 times maybe. Day 1 of lockdown, nothing to report. Didn't go out the area. Stayed in, put grills on windows, sorted things out really. Just moved stuff around, made sure that we have a plan, know what we're doing. Might go out and have a look in the city tomorrow. Might not. Don't really see any reason to. We don't need to. But I'm interested. I might leave it a little longer actually, and then go out and maybe do some filming. See if I can show you the local sites. Other than that, I hope you're all safe and well and not too scared about what's coming up. It is a worrying time, obviously, very worrying time. We don't really know how this is going to progress. Could it progress much worse? Well, we hear military on the streets with guns, and we know we're living under basically a military law. I'm expecting 3 to 4 days that people without are going to be looking for people with. That's just a natural law and order, dog eat dog kind of situation. And I think that they're doing that purposefully, and people need to remember there's millions of undocumented people all across Europe, Spain, Italy, UK, France, Germany, not registered, living hand to mouth, often earning cash every day. A lot of them turning to crime as well, and they don't have bank accounts. A lot of these people, I'm not being patronising and I'm not being harsh, I'm just trying to give a reality of the situation. It's called the black economy, particularly in the area I live. Up to 40% of people rely on cash work whenever they can get it. That means they can't get it now. There's talk of, well, not talk, I think they're actually putting it into place. People, more than 5 people can't be meeting at once. I know a family of 6, so I wonder which one they're going to throw out. It's just, you know, it's beyond a joke, isn't it? It's barbaric. So I shall leave you there. Wish you all good evening or good morning, wherever you may be. And when I have something better to report, or, you know, I'll let you know. Cheers.